Hello, today I'm in Toyota Proace. In this video I'll show you how to set home and work address in navigation. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to navigation. Enter menu and go to my destinations. Now select home and work, and if you want to change the address, press this button and remove them. Now to set it, select define the home address from. You can enter from history, from contacts, or you can enter manually. Select country and now enter city. Enter number and tap save. Confirm and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.